This is AquaIntel. Every U.S. water system, 75,000 of them, geocoded, scored, and searchable. Let's find a customer. Start in the screener. Filter by utility type, population, region, and 12 buying signals. Or describe your ideal customer in plain English. Aging pump infrastructure, a funded capital program, an upcoming recompete. The whole market comes back, ranked by opportunity score, from your company specifically. Houston tops the list at 92. Open Houston, and Account Intelligence builds the full report. Priority, posture, validation, capital plans, procurement. Your top opportunities, scored, sourced, and mapped to what you sell. The People module scores all 2,000 contacts for influence. Who recommends? Who approves? And the voice of the utility tells you what they already believe. Replace aging assets, urgently. That's your pitch. Ask Atlas anything. It answers from the utility's own documents, cited, and it found $350 million of white space. From then on, AquaIntel watches the account. Board meetings, lawsuits, RFPs, leadership changes. Every signal becomes an AI-drafted action, waiting for your approval. And outreach goes out personalized from the account's own intelligence. You review, approve, and send. Under it all, the vendor ecosystem, the procurement record, and your company's context graph. So every answer is framed for you. That's AquaIntel. Find your next 50 customers across U.S. water at www.waterutility.ai.